Hello, hello, hello. Um, yeah, this will be a short video. I will just show you guys the news and updates on the current Puxy project anti-cheat, which is actually an anti-cheat. Yeah, but before that, I wanna say I'm very, very sorry, guys, for not responding to your messages on Facebook or Discord because I'm so busy lately. I have some works to do, and I also have my personal life and stuff. So I'm sure you guys understand, and yeah, so it is a struggle at the end. I'm sorry about that, but I will actually try my best to eventually answer your questions. And yeah, so that's it. Without further ado, actually, let's get into it. So basically, here we have process hacker open, right? So if you guys didn't watch the last videos about the Puxy enter cheat, you should guys check it out. I've made a playlist so you can guys, which has currently two videos. So it's better actually to watch them to understand what's going on. So basically, let's try and open Dragonist. Boom, we get something new we didn't see at the last videos. So this is actually a login system, which will logs the errors, right? Basically, as you can see here in the title, process hacker.exe, which is this one, this program, which we detect actually. Our anti-cheat detects that. Yeah. So 1 second. Okay. So what is that? This is a login system, as we said. But what's the role of this? What's the reason of this? Well, I will explain. Let's imagine, for example, me as a player to this game, which is Dragon Nest. I play this game, right? A normal player. I'm not a hacker, for example. And for example, I have downloaded, for example, this process hacker, but I didn't know that it is something against my game, right? Well, let's imagine if we made the game, if we let the game as it was on the last video, which basically just detect and close directly the game. So yeah, me as a non-experienced hacker or a developer or something like that, so basically just a normal player, I won't actually know what is the reason why I was why the game was crashed on me, right? So this is what I made this right here with two actual reasons. So this one, malicious person, is the whole or general reason why it was detected, because there is a process running on my system which was against my game, which is in this case process hacker. And in the title, this is a specified reason, which is the exact binary that was detected, which is process hacker.exe. Well, this title right here, I actually don't recommend game masters to or yeah, people who run games to show that to the public, right? That's why I made a switch in my source code, so you can either turn it off or on. Yeah, and compile and hand the and give the compiled one to the player or client, right? Why? I will tell you why I don't recommend showing this to the public, right? Yeah. So let's just imagine I was actually a hacker. This right here, this process hacker.exe is actually a big giant hint for me, right? Yeah, this is a big giant hint for me to actually, yeah, to actually do some stuff. If you guys understand, do some malicious stuff and suspicious stuff to actually, yeah, either reverse the game, patch, or do some tricks. So that's why I made the logs, which actually logs this title with some other informations, useful informations. Well, this is just for demonstrating reasons, so you guys can get a wholesome idea about what is this system, what is this login system. Yeah. So if we click here, logs, you can see some encrypted stuff. Yeah, this is actually what this is actually holding all the informations about the detected or crash information, right? For this, the user, let's say for example, the user had opened and got this error message, but it is not showing process hacker here and said malicious process detected. So considering me as a normal player, I will go, for example, to see my processes, and I won't find anything that caused the game to crash or detected, or this malicious process, right? So basically, I need a hint. That's why we made logs. So basically, the user will you will be running on your web server, the game server. You will be running like a small front end upload file, sort of like this, maybe. I will show you I will show you an example here. So basically, this one, like this. What it does, you will just put the either upload the file, or let's copy the logs right here and post it here and click decrypt. Boom, you get all the stuff and crash information and other stuff. Again, this is just for demonstrating sake. The actual logs are way too bigger than that. So yeah, if you guys see here, you can see actually the title that I was talking about, the binary name that I was talking about. So yeah, so but just know that this should not be in front end. So basically, what it will be like is just the front end will have like a form with a upload file. So basically, you just send the file binaries, or as string, for example, or anything, to the web server, to the backend of our server. There you can handle all that fancy decryption stuff, right? Because it doesn't make sense to make the decryption process in JavaScript in front end. That won't make any sense, right? So yeah, basically that's it. And then you will return an HTTP response to the user saying the blah 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 was detected, for example. Right? This is well, most of nowadays game companies do that. Don't log in. For example, a big example which is known is called Xencode 3. Which is made by Welbia, a company in South Korea. So yeah, this is just a simple demonstration for it. Yeah, basically that's it. So as you can see, let's try one more time, which we detected the process hacker. So let's what is it? Let's close. Yeah, we closed it. Let's open Dragonist now. Boom, you get a malicious. What is that? This is actually it is a process that I think it is a sandbox. Yeah, a sandboxy process, which we detect. If we go here again, copy that and paste it out. Here you can see this the binary that was detected. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys like this new plugin-ish system. Basically, I'm planning to make a client server system, right? A client server anti-cheat, which will use socket programming and such fancy stuff. But yeah, this will be in the future because I'm very busy right now, guys, with some. So that was it for this video. I will see you guys on the next video. Oh, and before, again, I'm very sorry for not responding to y'all messages. Yeah, I have my reasons. I'm sorry for that, but I will eventually do that. Yeah, near. Bye bye.